Hello, I'm Laura of Budgets Made Easy, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can accomplish one of the most dreaded household tasks, budgeting. The task we often make excuses just to avoid. At Budgets Made Easy, we realize this, so we've developed a product that makes creating, updating, and maintaining a household budget truly easy. So forget the pen, paper, and the calculator, and please forget that used up excuse, my budget's in my head, because you can do this. All you need to do is gather information you already have. First, you need to know how much net income comes into your home. In basic terms, that's your paycheck amount and how often you get it. Next, you'll need to know your checking account balance, less pending charges such as checks that need to clear your bank and unposted ATM and card swipe charges. And finally, you need to know your expenses. You need to know what has to be paid, the payment amount, and when it is due so you'll know when to pay it. This last point is very important because if you place your payment in the mail, you must write and mail your check before the due date. But if you make payments online, you can usually make payments up to the day it's due. But be careful with this also, because some companies have daily payment cutoff times. And if you make a payment after that time, it will be considered late, and then you might be charged a late fee, which of course I'm sure you want to avoid. Well, today we'll be using our Budgets Made Easy bi-weekly household budgeting product to demonstrate just how easy it is for you to create and maintain a household budget. Now, besides this particular format, we also have a weekly and a monthly format. The product opens up to a way. It contains instructions for completing the program sheets, and those are identified by the tabs to the right of this Welcome tab. Today, we'll focus only on the budget sheet. So let's create a budget. On that next tab, which is the bi-weekly budget tab, the actual budget sheet is displayed. Building your budget is as easy as entering data. No math or calculation skills are needed. In cell C2, we'll enter the date for your first income. This becomes the date when you will review your budget and pay your bills. For our example, we'll be entering May 18, 2013. So I'll be entering 05, I put a dash, 18-13, and then pressing enter. The program automatically calculates and displays your future payment and budgeting dates. In this case, it will be every 2 weeks. In cell C7, we'll enter your checkbook balance. This is needed because these funds are also part of the money you'll be using to pay current bills. In this example, we'll be entering $837.58. Again, that's $837.58. So we enter those numbers and then press enter. We can also enter an income amount under this budgeting period, and in this case we're going to put in $550 and press enter. Again, that's $550 and then press enter. You can enter other amounts in any of those blue sections for those periods as you build your budget just by going to that cell and entering the amount. For instance, under the next budgeting period of June 1st, we can put that same amount in, $550, and press enter. Again, just key in $550 and press enter. What you'll notice is that the remaining balance in row 9 are always automatically calculated and updated. Well, we can go on now to the expenses. Some of them are already given, but of course you can change these to match your particular needs. Just by typing, we'll be entering out that we'll say is mortgage. And in our scenario, we'll be using $748.13. So that's the amount we'll be putting in, $748.13, and then pressing the enter button. For our scenario, we'll also say we need to go to the grocery store. We need to buy some food. We get hungry, we need to feed ourselves. So we'll enter $85 and press the enter key. We also have a gasoline expense for this week to put some gas in our car. So we're going to put in $25 and press enter. Some of us are not as healthy as we like to be, so we have to go to the drugstore and pick up some medicine. So we're going to be entering $75 and pressing the enter key. Nearly everyone has a cell phone, so we have a cellular bill. So in that case, we will be entering $60 and pressing the enter key. Now, after working for the past 2 weeks, we're tired, we want some recreation, we want some entertainment. So we're going to say, I'm going out on the town. Even though I'm a poor person, I'm going to spend $50 on myself to enjoy myself. So I'm going to put that into my budget and press the enter key. Again, you'll notice that your remaining balances in row 9 are automatically calculated and updated. Now, one of the main purposes of a budget is to make sure your spending is within your income limits. Unfortunately, there are times when our bills total more than the money we have. For example, let's suppose you have to pay that vehicle bill. You put that $25 in the gas tank, so you want to make sure your vehicle does not get repossessed. And that amount that you have to pay is $370. So you're going to put $370 in there and then press the enter key. What you'll notice is that your remaining balance for this period, that would be in cell C9, is in red and it's in parentheses. This indicates that you have an overdrawn balance. This means that you must make sacrifices in other budget areas. In our case, what we're going to do is say, I don't have $50 to spend for recreation anymore. I can only spend $20. You just type over that $50, you put in the 20, press enter. Your budget is automatically updated, and you ought to be congratulated because you have just created a balanced budget period. It's truly just that easy. Now, maintaining and adjusting your budget is also easy. For example, we had that cellular bill for $60, but when it came in, it wasn't $60, it was actually $58.69. So that's what we have to put in, $58.69, just by typing over that $60 and pressing enter. Again, your remaining balances in row 9 are automatically updated for you, and again, easy budgeting has been achieved. Now, this user-friendly product is made more attractive by its price. It's not $100, it's not $50, it's $25. Yes, only $25. So visit us at budgetsmadeeasy.com to purchase and download your Budgets Made Easy household budgeting tool. Again, our website is budgetsmadeeasy.com. Thank you very much for your time, and we know you will benefit greatly from this product.